Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use a gradient in Krita. To start, select the gradient tool from the toolbar. It looks like a fading bar. In some workspaces, you might see it under the Fill Tools group. Next, choose the gradient you want to use by clicking the Gradient Preset dropdown in the top toolbar. Krita has presets like foreground to background, and you can also create or edit custom gradients. Once the gradient tool is active, click and drag on your canvas from where you want the gradient to start to where you want it to end. Krita will draw the gradient between those 2 points. You can adjust how the gradient looks using the Tool Options docker. Pick different shapes like linear for straight, radial for circular, bilinear, conical, or spiral for varied effects. Each mode changes how the colors transition. If you have a selection active, the gradient will only fill inside that shape, giving you precise control over the area you want to affect. This is especially useful for shading backgrounds or adding highlights. And that's how you use a gradient in Krita. Thanks for watching.